Hello and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a WordPress header and footer for free of cost. You do not need to buy any plugin. You will be able to create the total header and footer for free of cost. So if you're really interested to watch the video, I would like to request you to watch the video from the beginning to the end, and you'll be able to create the free header and footer. So here, if I show you the screen, if I visit the site right now, as you can see, this is the current design for our website. This is the front page where people can sell multiple courses. There, the introduction of their teachers, and there are some designs actually, but in the footer, as you can see, we do not have any design. It's a design basically, but it is not that fancy type of design. And right now you'll not be able to make any design because there is no way to make it. So we will teach you how to do it. Even if I go to the header, there is the title and there's a menu. But if you want to make a logo here, if you want to make a button here, or whatever you want to do in a custom way, then there is no other way to do it because there is no plugin or any way we can do it. So now I am going to install a plugin which is absolutely for free of cost, and this will work with Elementor. So let me show you that. So from here, before showing you that, if I go to the themes, this is the Astro theme that I am using right now. So one thing to mention, if you use Elementor theme, which is Hello Elementor, or if you use any child theme from Hello Elementor, this plugin will not work. Only this theme will not work with this plugin. Other than that, everything will work. So here, if I show you from this Astro theme is installed. So to create a custom header, what we have to do is just from the plugins, click add new plugin. From here, type header footer and hit enter. From here, install this one. It's installed, so just click activate. Once it is activated, go to the setting. So we are going to create our first header, so you can just skip this. Once you skip this, they will ask you the header name. Just put a random name or your preferred name. So I'm putting it main menu or main header. Okay. Main header now, and select the option. I'd like to create header, and this header should be appeared to the entire website. And from here, just click Elementor full width and then click publish. So now we have to make the header, to design the header. If I come here, let's say I would like to take 3 column, let's say this one. In the left side there will be a logo. In center side there will be the menu, and maybe here we can put a button or anything you need. Basically there are a lot of elements to take from here. You can just drag and drop and use it. So in the left side I'd like to add a logo. If I hit logo, so this is the logo now. There is no logo. I'd like to use an image from the media library. There is nothing. So here, if I upload something, so let's say this is the logo that I want to use. If I select it now, this is how it looks. If I make the size like this, that's fine. So now here we need a menu. So when you search menu, you will get a lot of things. So let's use this one, which is navigation menu. Based on the themes and plugins you have selected, you will get this menu like this. So as you can see, there is no menu to select. So for now, if I just click publish, and then we will get the menu. If I go to the dashboard from here, from appearance, click menus, name it main menu or anything you need actually. So create new menu. From view all pages, I would like to add all the pages. So home page as the front page, then about us, FAQ or the services, and then FAQ, then they contact us. If I save it now, and now if I come to the header and reload, as you can see, this is the menu. So let's make it to the justify content to be centered, and from this it has to be centered as well. let's make the font color, this menu font color, to be black. So when you click to the pencil bar and go to this style, then go to the text color, it has to be black like this. If I make the font weight to be 700, which is bold, this is how it looks. And in this part there may be a button, so when I click on it and search button, I drag it and let's make it book appointment. That's fine. You can attach the appointment link here. From this styling part, make it center, and from this column setting, if you make it justify content center, this is how it will look like. So if I publish it now and if I reload it, as you can see, this is the newly created header. So let's optimize the mobile version now. If I click on it, this is how it looks. So we will make the logo in the left, this menu on the right, and then we'll make the button to be full width. To do that, let's use this column width to be 50%. Select the percent and make it 50, or maybe we can select 60, 59, 60. So at least it has taken the 60% of the width. Let's make it 40 so that it hits 100. Okay, so now this is how it looks. And for this button, if I go to this tile, just click to the stretched, this is how it looks. And if I publish now, if I reload this page, so let's check the mobile version how it looks. So when you hit Ctrl+Shift+I, you'll be able to see this. From here, click devices, let's select iPhone 12 Pro, and if you reload it based on the screen sizes, this is how it looks and appears. If you go even to the responsive mode based on the designs, this is how it will look like. Even if you can check it from here, that's even fine. If you do it like this, this is how the real-time view is. Okay, this is how it looks like. In the left there is logo, this is the menu by which you can access all the pages, and this is the appointment. When you click on it, you will be able to access the appointment page. So the header is created. In the same way, we'll create the footer. If I go again here from the appearance, click to the Elementor header footer builder, click add new, make this to be main footer, and from here this is a footer. I want to appear this footer to the entire website, and click Elementor full width and then publish. Click edit. So take 4 section, let's say 4 column based section. So let's make this section color to be black, yeah, like this. Then make a heading, address. If I make it white, if I decrease the size to be 25 or maybe 20, yeah, that's fine. And then make icon list here, because we are going to put address. Delete all, just keep one, delete this, and let's say I want to select Dhaka, Bangladesh, and this is the zip code. So now if I want to make this text color white, click to the text under the style and then click here. This is the text color, right? So here, even if you want to put a map, Google map, just put it here, copy the address so that you can put it in the map. If I do it like this, this is how it shows. Even if you want to decrease the height, this is how it shows. That's fine. In this second column, add another heading. To do it, just copy and then paste. Here we'll add important pages, because we would like to add some important pages by which people can access easily. So here, let's say I type home or the second one, which is about, the third one, fourth one, and fifth one, let's say, or we can just add 4, that's fine. So here, if we type services, and then this one has to be appointment. In the same way, if I just copy it and paste it for this one, if I copy and paste again here, let's say contact, and then here make it email us, and attach the email link by mail to type mail to colon, and then put your email address. That will be working fine. So the second one, let's say make it the phone number, and then the third one, you can put it like this based on your requirement. So for the third one, if I paste it, and if I paste this one again and put it like quick links, put the link here. So for this, let's say it's an e-commerce website, so you can get the way to track order, and then refund policy, and there are some important pages. So before finishing, if I go to the advanced, click to the padding, make it 30 to get some spaces at the top, and make it bottom 30 to get some spaces at the bottom. You can increase and decrease the number based on the design preference. So I'm making it 50 if I publish it now, and if I view the site, so if I scroll down now, this is how the design looks. You can make it more interesting based on the website design requirements you have. This is what the basic design is. You can make it more interesting anyway. So from here, if I go to the mobile version now, this is how it looks. I think this is fine. So this is how actually you can create any type of header and footer using Elementor free plugin, which is called Elementor header and footer. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified in the next video. Thank you so much.